Welcome to the fascinating world of the Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's oldest and most mysterious ancient cultures. Located in the northwestern regions of the Indian subcontinent, it flourished for over 1,000 years, leaving behind clues that continue to intrigue archaeologists and historians alike. Today, we will dive into the wonders of this advanced civilization, its rise, achievements, daily life, and eventual decline. So, grab your time-traveling gear and let's explore the grandeur of the Indus Valley civilization. Let's begin by understanding the geography that made this civilization possible. The Indus Valley civilization thrived around the fertile plains of the Indus River, which runs through present-day Pakistan and parts of India. This river, along with its tributaries, provided a steady source of water, making it perfect for agriculture. The region, roughly covering modern-day Pakistan, India, and Afghanistan, was blessed with abundant natural resources. While the climate was initially mild and conducive to farming, over time, changes in river courses and shifting rainfall patterns may have contributed to the civilization's eventual decline. Still, at its peak, the Indus Valley was a marvel of urbanization and ecological balance. The roots of the Indus Valley civilization go back to the early Neolithic period, around 7000 BCE, when people in the region began to settle and practice agriculture. But by 3300 BCE, these early communities had evolved into an urban society that would grow into one of the most advanced civilizations in ancient history. This transformation from rural settlements to thriving urban centers was driven by technological advances, the rise of a complex social structure, and the development of a sophisticated economic system. By 2500 BCE, cities like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro stood as prime examples of urban planning and organization. One of the most striking features of the Indus Valley civilization was its highly advanced urban planning. The cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were carefully designed with grid layouts and wide streets, making them stand out as one of the earliest examples of urban planning. Both cities were divided into two main sections, the citadel and the lower town. The citadel, elevated above the rest of the city, housed important public buildings and possibly the elite members of society. Meanwhile, the lower town contained the majority of the population, with homes, workshops, and markets. But what truly makes these cities extraordinary is their advanced drainage and sanitation systems. Each house had its own private bathroom and toilet, and these were connected to a sophisticated network of drainage systems. The entire city had an underground network of sewers that used covered drains to carry wastewater away from homes. This level of sanitation was far ahead of its time, even surpassing other ancient civilizations like those of Mesopotamia and Egypt, which didn't have such comprehensive drainage systems. Another key mystery of the Indus Valley civilization is its script. The Harappan script, which appeared on seals, pottery, and clay tablets, is one of the oldest forms of writing known to humanity. Yet, despite numerous attempts, it remains undeciphered to this day. The script consists of a series of symbols, many of which are pictographs. While some symbols resemble animals, plants, and geometric patterns, their exact meaning remains elusive. Scholars have debated whether it's a form of writing or simply a set of symbols used for record-keeping, trade, or religious purposes. One thing is clear: the widespread use of this script suggests a society that was literate, with a complex bureaucracy capable of managing trade, commerce, and administration across vast distances. If we ever managed to crack the code of the Harappan script, we could unlock countless secrets about their daily life, governance, and religious beliefs. Trade was a cornerstone of the Indus Valley economy. The Harappans engaged in long-distance trade with regions as far away as Mesopotamia, the Arabian Peninsula, and Central Asia. Artifacts such as Indus seals have been found in Mesopotamian cities, suggesting that goods like cotton, beads, and textiles were traded for luxury items like lapis lazuli, gold, and timber. The economy was based on agriculture, with wheat, barley, and cotton as the primary crops. Evidence of early cotton cultivation suggests that the Harappans were ahead of their time, as cotton didn't appear in other ancient civilizations until centuries later. Along with agriculture, animal husbandry played a significant role. Evidence of domesticated cattle, buffalo, and goats has been found at many sites, further highlighting the diversity of their economy. Religion in the Indus Valley remains one of the most debated topics among scholars. There are no grand temples or monumental religious buildings, so the nature of their beliefs is not entirely clear. However, many scholars believe that the Harappans practiced a form of Proto-Hinduism, with religious practices that involved nature worship, fertility rituals, and possibly the veneration of animals. Several seals depict animals such as bulls and elephants, which may have held religious significance. The presence of figurines resembling deities suggests that the Harappans had an organized religious system, but without the large-scale temples that other ancient cultures possessed. This could mean that worship took place within the home or in smaller, community-based settings. By 1300 BCE, the Indus Valley civilization began to decline. But the reasons behind this collapse remain a mystery. There are several theories. Some believe that environmental changes, such as the drying up of the Saraswati River or shifts in the Indus River's course, may have disrupted agriculture and trade. Others suggest that climatic changes, like prolonged droughts or a weakening of the monsoon, may have made life in the region unsustainable. Some also theorize that internal factors like overpopulation, social unrest, or economic collapse played a role. There's even speculation about possible invasions from neighboring groups, though evidence for this is minimal. Whatever the cause, the great cities of the Indus Valley were abandoned over time, and the civilization gradually faded into obscurity. Despite its eventual decline, the legacy of the Indus Valley civilization lives on. The urban planning, drainage systems, and evidence of early trade show that the Harappans were an innovative people, ahead of their time in many ways. Their contributions to the world of agriculture, city planning, and trade laid the foundation for later cultures in the Indian subcontinent and beyond. Today, we continue to study and explore the ruins of this ancient civilization. And although many questions remain unanswered, one thing is certain. The Indus Valley civilization was a true marvel of the ancient world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonders of the Indus Valley civilization. We hope this exploration has sparked your curiosity about one of history's most fascinating cultures. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow history enthusiasts. Until next time, keep exploring the mysteries of our ancient past.